Is your transmission shifting so hard it feels like you are getting hit from behind every time you change gears? If you see a P0888 code, your car is telling you there is a voltage problem in the transmission control module power relay sense circuit. Essentially, the computer that decides when and how your car shifts is either not getting power or it cannot confirm that the power is actually there. Since modern cars use a complex network called a controller area network to share data between the engine and the transmission, a power failure here can also disable your traction control and your anti-lock braking systems. You will likely experience very harsh shifts, a total failure to change gears, or your car might even get stuck in a limp home mode where it stays in one gear to prevent further damage. This code is often caused by a bad relay, a blown fuse, or a damaged fusible link. It could also be a failure in a vehicle speed sensor or a short circuit somewhere in that complex wiring web. To figure this out, you should use a diagnostic scanner to see if there are any other codes stored that might point to a specific sensor failure. Check the transmission power relay and all related fuses in the engine bay junction box. If you find a blown fuse, remember that something caused it to blow, so look for frayed wires that might be touching the metal frame. Use a digital volt-ohm meter to check for power and ground at the transmission control module connector. If the wiring and fuses are perfect but the code persists, the module itself might be faulty or it might just need a software update from the dealership. Because this involves both complex electronics and the heavy mechanical components of your transmission, I highly recommend visiting a certified mechanic if a basic fuse check doesn't fix the problem. Driving with a faulty transmission controller can cause serious internal wear very quickly. Stay safe and I will see you in the next one.